पूरा वीडियो चाहिए।
नी बाहर की तरफ रखना है, ऐसे नहीं रखना, थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ पैर रखना है, ठीक है? नहीं इतना नहीं, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा। बेसिक किक्स, स्वीप, guard. This is on the thigh, on the calf, sweep, inner kicks, थोड़ा सा ऊपर पकड़ लीजिए, यहाँ से।
Just show me the proper stance now. Okay.
This is the basic fighting stance. From this stance you can throw punches, knees, kicks, elbows, and even go for takedowns. Right? So you practice some inner kicks. There are different names in different martial arts. We call it inner and Jeet Kune Do. Again. The key here is the rotation, the twist, and this whole area you hit with this portion, the shin or this area, the blade, depending upon the range. So if I'm too close to him, I land the shin. If I'm too far away, this portion. These are this is the inner kick. Then we have the front kick. Yeah, front kick is basically to push the opponent away. Push him away if he's coming too close. Push him away, push him away, push him away, attack. Push him away, push him away, attack. So this usually works when the guy is charging. Aage, aage, aage. Yeah. This is usually done to push the opponent away to create distance. To create distance, he cannot come within my range, but I can come within his range. These are the basic kicks. And we move on to grappling or punches. We can move on to punches. This was the kick range, this is the punch range, right? How this is the punch range? हाथ खोलिए पूरा और पूरा खोलिए, नहीं पहुँचा. His hand cannot reach me, but I can reach him because of the footwork. I can use my footwork, I can use my body. हाथ खोलो पूरा, खोलो. Right?
Just because of your proper stance, right?
No, not because of the stance. I'm using the body.
Oh, okay.
This is my reach. What he's doing is this. He's doing is this. What I'm doing is extending this.
Okay. You're extending your arm.
I'm rotating my torso to create that extra distance.
Okay.
And by doing that, I can create more power because the hip is involved, the core is involved. Right? So this range, this was your kick range. This is your punch range. I can throw punches here. Body. Right? You come even closer. This is where you get the clinch. This is called a clinch. Clinch game, knees. Knees, head control. Very important. You control this, you control the fighter. Knees. Very dangerous, very powerful, very painful. Right? Elbows. This butt portion of your elbow, this is what you land. Right? In MMA, from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, it's not allowed. You can do side elbows, inches over, right? यहाँ से anywhere, but not like this. That's banned. Okay, right? So you can throw elbows even closer. This is where your grappling comes into the picture.
Okay.
So I need to control his body weight. Right? थोड़ा सा लगाओ, थोड़ा लगाओ. Right? Now he's off balance right now. I can feel it because I'm putting my weight on it, and he's bending. So all I have to do is put a little more weight and he'll fall. Right? Once he's on the ground, that's when Jiu-Jitsu comes into the picture.
Okay.
Jiu-Jitsu, again, just take this one.
Yeah.
Every martial art has its own respective range. So I'm taking you from every range, from the standing game to the wrestling, to the clinch game, to the ground game. So the ground game starts when the opponent is on the ground. His objective is to come on top of me, dominate me, and not let me do what I want to do. My objective is to tap him out, put him in a choke, put him in a lock where I can completely destroy his game. Right?
Show me the look for submission.
Right. So once he's on the ground, I need to control his head. Right? This is one of the basic moves. I'm not doing much here, but then he's blocking his airway, blood circulation from this shoulder, and from the other side I'm doing it with my bicep. So So I'm going to put my arm on my left bicep. That's enough.
He's easy to pay.
Yeah, he's choking out. He's choking
Okay.
out. Right? He's choking out because he's a little muscular. Right? So next submission, again, the wrist lock, not much here. Again, my head has to be here. Head has to be here. If my head is not here, he can use this arm, he can do this. He can, if he wants to resist, he can resist. But if my head is here, he cannot do it. Right? He cannot pull my hair or eye gouging, that's not allowed. This is again minimum effort, maximum pain. If I do,
Okay, he's already tapping.
he's tapping, right?
Yeah.
Next submission that I can do from this position, again, head down, arm bar.
What exactly you call it?
Arm bar.
Arm bar.
Yeah. I can do it with one leg.
You easily want to break his arm, huh?
If I push pressure, I'm doing it slowly because I don't want to, even the minor muscles, I don't want to hurt it.
And if you're down there and some other opponents above you, how are you gonna take yourself out of this position?
Right. I'm lying here.
Yeah. अब आ जा. So मैं जैसे इन्हें पकड़ा हुआ था वैसा कीजिए.
पकड़ लो. ये अच्छा अब ऐसे पकड़ लो. जैसे भी पकड़ना पकड़ लो. Now he is in a dominating position.
Right.
What I need to do is get my hand around it. Turn him around. Create distance. With this distance, I've created distance. Now I need to change the guard. This is not the full guard.
Okay.
That's the square one. I win.
Now again he's into submission.
Yeah? Huh?
Again he's into submission, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Kalo.